We are now going to look at how to do a free path data collection. Free path data collection makes use of your GNSS positioning data and integrates it with your GPR data. This allows you to walk whatever path you want to walk, and the position will be centimeter level accurate. This allows you to overlay your GPR data with satellite imagery. If the satellite imagery is old, you can also use imagery from photogrammetry where you have used a drone, which will give you a much more new orthomosaic. Before we can start with our free path, let's now select our coordinate system and make sure that we've got a GNSS fix. We'll go on positioning. We can see that our RTK unit or our rover is connected. It is receiving corrections via N-trip. And when we select here, we can see that position type is fixed and we've got centimeter level accuracy. We can go on coordinate system. Here on coordinate system, we can select the specific coordinate system that is relevant to the area where we want to collect our GPR data. For this case, we will use Hartebeeshoek 94 LO29. Once this is selected, we can now proceed to create our project. We'll select on Create New. We'll select the measuring mode to be free path, optimization mode to be standard, and the step rate to be 0.4, and units as metric. We will select on the icon to load the satellite map. We can now see our satellite map. When we are ready to collect the data, we can simply select Start Recording. Let's proceed to start collecting the data. We'll press the Start button, then start recording. We'll select on pause. Change the direction, start recording again. Pause. Start recording. Pause. Start recording. Pause. Once you've collected the data using the free path method, you can tag your utilities on the tablet, or you can export this and use it on the GPR Insight software. On the GPR Insight software, you are able to overlay the GPR data with CAD data from other sources or orthomosaic information that is more up to date from other sources like photogrammetry. This is how you go about doing a free path data collection.